Hello viewers, a very good morning. I do welcome you back to our YouTube channel. In this video today, we're going to be looking at an awesome, amazing, interesting question. How to start Forex trading with no money. In other words, is there any possibility? Is there any way? Literally, a person that is trading Forex can ideally start with no capital, with no money. Now, the answer is going to be in this particular video. However, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do such that you enjoy the content that we happen to release. You can also visit other social media platforms of ours. That is Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Just type in FX Kampala. You will find such amazing, affirmative information. You can also click onto the bell such that you're among those few people that are notified whenever we happen to release such videos. Without any wastage of time, is it possible for anyone to make Forex or to start trading with no money? The answer is yes. That is if you certainly happen to do the things that I'll release in this particular video. First things first, when you are trading, it's important, or one of the best ways one can ideally start trading with no money is actually trading on a free demo account. By this, you're actually earning. You're literally earning without basically putting in any money as a risk. Meaning that this time round, you can test, you can assess your methodologies, your strategies, literally everything with virtual money. And by the end of the day, you're going to achieve, you're going to learn something, which will eventually be an ideal step, which will be an ideal thing that every person that is looking to trade Forex with no money should actually focus on. So trading with demo account is one of those key things. Ideally, one can start Forex trading without money. Having done that, the other thing is actually to take advantage of the no deposit bonus. Literally, most of the brokers usually have these seasons where they actually allow one to start trading and create accounts with no deposit. It's actually called with no deposits made. It's actually called a no deposit bonus. These ones usually occasionally happen. So it's your job, that it's your mandate to actually search for these opportunities that come out, because with this you can ideally deposit nothing, but then with the account that is created, usually they give maybe $50, $20, depending on the individual broker. So with this, they just give you an account with actual money, and then you can start trading with this with good risk management. Then from this, you can raise capital. You can raise the money that you can eventually invest into the Forex market. So it's an ideal ways of how one can, start trading with no money. The other way is actually through copy trading and social trading. With this, when you copy, when it comes to copy trading, usually potential traders, give out their signals, give out their ways on how they actually trade the market, which is ideal, which is ideally another way through which you can learn from these people, from their strategies, from their risk management, from their psychology, and a lot more. So by this, you're earning, but then you've not risked any money, you've not risked any capital. So with this, it's actually adding up onto you, and it's another way through which we can, start trading without money. Then you can actually go for referral programs. This is very, very important. So you can always refer clients to different brokers. At the end of the day, you will actually earn commission. And with this commission, you can use this commission, you can use this commission as your capital. That is if you're good at affiliate marketing. That is if you're good when it comes to marketing. So marketing this, brokers' products can eventually earn you capital, which is an aspect that can help you create capital that you can use and also earn a living, as a full-time job. So this is another way that we can, I would highly recommend, that can help you, earn and get capital or start trading without money. Then the other thing is actually trading competitions. They usually give out competition accounts, whereby those are the brokers, whereby now they give you targets, and from targets, then you can, from targets achieved, they can give you this capital, which you can eventually start trading with. Then another way is actually what we call as micro accounts. These are sometimes called, they are sometimes called the cents account. Usually the investment is quite low. where some other people deposit a lot of money, you will have to deposit small money, but develop and grow this amount of money, and which will then rather work as the capital that you will trade and succeed in the forex business. There are quite more other ways through which you can start trading without money, but then these are the most essential, these are the most fundamentals. So earlier we said use a demo account. Two, we said take advantage of the no deposit bonuses, copy trading and social trading, referral programs, trading competition, and micro accounts are the most ways one can start trading without money, without capital. However, in any case you happen to find any challenge, I've actually shared my contact at the beginning of this video. Not hesitate to contact us. We can always be in position to help out. With that, I would love to end from here. Hope this video helps you. You can like and share it to to other people such that they also benefit from this. With that, have a lovely day. Enjoy.